So we are up and out of the room. We have a busy day today. We have Palo Brunch, adult only, specialty restaurant at 11:30. And until then, we're going to do some trivia and hang around the ship. Quick outfit of the day for our Palo Brunch today. My gold sandals are from Lilly Pulitzer, and my white dress is also from Lilly Pulitzer. These super cute Mickey and Minnie snorkeling earrings are from Bobble Bar. We're heading to, I believe, Toy Story trivia right now. We thought it was in one of the adult-only areas, but you can't really find it right now.
District Lounge on deck 4. Is this District Lounge?
We gotta go this way, yep. District Lounge is this way. That is where Toy Story is at 9 a.m. today. No snacks yet this morning.
By the way, as soon as you detect discount to prepare all, I recommend every single team just grab your pencil and your paper, please.
Here is the pink wine and champagne bar. No one is in here yet. It's 9 a.m. but it's very beautiful in here. Everything is pink themed. Even this baby Grant over here is pink. The chandelier type is made of champagne bottles. Very, very pretty in here. All right, let's head to trivia.
So please, a round of applause. Yes, I'm glad to do. So we're gonna start it. We have around 24, 25 questions, if I'm not wrong, about this Toy Story trivia. So as soon as we finish the first part, you will just switch your papers with another team. We're going to check the correct answers, and the highest score will win. So, are you ready to start this? Yeah! So, here we go! What was wrong with
Third question is, what was wrong with Wheezy
shelved?
that got him shelved?
Question 3.
Because he was wheezy. It really should be multiple choice.
Number 5. Question 5. What is the license plate number on Andy's mom's car? A.
So, we just finished Toy Story trivia. It was a lot harder than I think we expected. They asked questions like, what character is on the clock in Andy's room? What are the numbers on Andy's mom's license plate? It was really hard, but it was fun. Now we are going to go grab something to eat really quick in Cabanas because we do not eat our Palo Brunch until 11:30 and we ate at 5:15 last night, so we're very, very hungry. But that's where we're headed now.
Close fell down again. I think it's still going to be a lost cause.
I just got a bagel with cream cheese and a muffin to hold me over until our Palo Brunch later. Looks yummy, so. We are back downstairs for some more trivia. This trivia is now Frozen, so I guess we'll test our Frozen knowledge this time.
Hi there.
Hello.
How are we doing this morning?
Good. How are you?
Good. Do you want to play trivia?
Yes.
Okay. Some pencils out there. We'll get started in about 20 minutes. We're a little early. Yeah, it's okay. Get comfy.
Really cool, like nightclub area, adult only. But this is where our Frozen trivia will be this morning. So we are now in Disney Trivia in Evolution Bar and Nightclub for adults only. This trivia is for all ages, but this is just an adult only venue at night and stuff like that. Hopefully we do better at this trivia than the Toy Story one, because that one was very hard and it asked like a lot of very detailed questions, like what's the number on Andy's mom's license plate, stuff that I don't think normal people really know that well. But this area is really nice, and we got about 10 minutes until Frozen trivia starts, so hopefully we'll do better at that.
On which side of her head did Anna's white hair start to appear?
Oh.
Is it A, her right side, B, her left side, C, the center, or D, all over? Anna and Hans finish each other's what? Is it A, sandwiches?
We just finished Frozen trivia. I got 20 out of 25 correct, so much better than the Toy Story. And it was actually pretty hard questions, but a lot of them were pretty easy. Now we are heading to a class called Anyone Can Cook. We're gonna watch the chef cook, I think, apple strudel, and then we'll get to taste test it, so let's go.
Your chef, it is Chef Marshall. So throughout today's session, if you do have any questions whilst he is making the apple strudel, just pop your hand in the air and I'll come over to you as quick as I can and we will ask him those questions. Enjoy.
My name is Marshall, as our host mentioned. So I'm your executive pastry chef on board the ship. So I'm the person who's responsible for all of the sweets and all the calories you're going to be gaining this cruise. So don't be shy. Wherever you see the pastries, the desserts, don't be shy. Just go out and have a ball. Eat as much as you can. Don't worry about the extra weight or the extra pound at this time. Now is not the time for that. Now is the time for vacation to enjoy. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So we are a team of 30 people. All the breads, croissant, Danish, everything. We are the people who's responsible for that. So what we do, we break our team down into small groups placed in different areas, so just to make the operation more efficient. So for example, our bakery is located all the way in the bottom of the ship, which is on deck A, which is one deck below deck 1. And down there in the bakery, we have 8 people working in the bakery. So we have 3 in the night and 5 in the morning time. So those 3 people in the night shift, they're making all the croissants, the Danish, the muffins, all the breakfast items you get fresh in the morning. They make fresh in the night, bake into the morning, so it comes out nice and fresh. Then the day shift team, they're the ones who are making all the bread rolls, all the breads you see around the ship, for lunch, for dinner, in the cafes, the brunch, everywhere. Cookies, all the chocolate chip cookies and the oatmeal cookies you see around the ship is being done by the bakery team as well. Then we have the pastry team, which is located, we have a pastry shop. Our main pastry is on deck 2. Then we have a pastry shop also on deck 3, which supplies animator in Royal Palace. We have our pastry shop in Palos as well. I pull it, it's not coming back because it's nicely relaxed. And then now you can just pull it, just gently pull it, don't force it. Gently pull it and allow it to move through.
So we just finished the Anyone Can Cook like seminar type thing. It was a lot of fun. We learned a lot of interesting facts. We learned like the shifts of the pastry workers. They actually cook the morning pastries at night on the very, very bottom deck. So below deck 1, they cook them in deck A, so that was very interesting. And then for the dessert that we tried, which was apple strudel, we found out that when they cook it for the Royal Palace restaurant, they use 220 pounds of apples per night. So that was crazy. But now we're on our way up to Palo for our specialty dining adult only brunch, and we're super excited. We've been on the Disney cruises a lot, but this is our first time doing Palo. So we're very excited and we're gonna take you along.
This is about for food.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
They told us to come wait in this waiting area and they'll come get us and take us to our table when it's ready.
And for here, you will see a very beautiful chandeliers. This one is made from Czech Republic. As you can see, it's just like a upside down pasta bowl where it's a melted cheese pasta. And people sort of like a hello, thank you for being there.
Just got our first round of yumminess for today. I got orange juice, Mom got sparkling wine, and then she brought a plate of pastries, and then a tart for Mom. So we had some of the pastries. This one was Nutella. It was good, not my favorite, but this one right here was a raisin, and it was so good. We have yet to try this one because she just brought our little gondola of bread and our antipasta meat. So we'll give it a go.
Try that one.
This croissant here is the best croissant I've ever had. It's filled with something, but it is so soft. The sugar on the top makes it's just amazing. So we've been here only about 20 minutes, and I am so full, I'm about to be sick. We've only had pastries, bread, and our antipasta. I haven't even had the antipasta yet, but I'm so full. They just keep bringing and bringing in the food, which is great because it's $45 per person. But our next round, I got buttermilk pancakes.
No, I have a winter.
Mom
Oh,
got
perfect.
strawberry Mickey waffle.
You're happy with the selection?
Looks very delicious.
Thank you.
Do you make lasagna? Instead of chicken parm?
Yeah, she said the lasagna was good. I'm gonna try the first round of food that we actually ordered. My buttermilk pancakes. They smell delicious.
You're for some coffee, maybe?
I don't drink coffee.
No,
but
thank you. Thank you.
Very welcome.
The pancakes are just really, really good. This is our first round of food of what we actually ordered. The next one we ordered is the spicy Italian flatbread. And then for our main meal, we both ordered lasagna. We have yet to order dessert, so there's a lot of food here. So I had originally ordered the spicy Italian sausage flatbread for myself, but this thing is huge, so we're gonna have to share it. Looks very, very good though. I'll let you know how it tastes. So far, the flatbread has been my favorite. I loved the pastry filled with cinnamon or something, but this one is really good. It's very thin, so the Italian sausage has a kick to it, but it's still really good. All right, our final entree came. I got the lasagna. I'm not sure if that's cheese or if it's Alfredo, but it looks very good. I can barely breathe, I'm so stuffed, but I still want to give this a try. Alright, taste test for the lasagna. It looks very, very good. Like I said, I am so full. They just keep bringing you endless amounts of food. And very good portion sizes. She did say right before we ordered that the last entree is the smallest portion because they give you so much in the beginning. So let's try this. Definitely have to get this if you come to Palo Brunch. I just finished my lasagna. I was just telling my mom this is the best lasagna I've ever had. Not even just on a cruise ship, just the best lasagna I've ever had, like anywhere. It was so good. Definitely do not eat before your brunch if you do book Palo, because they basically fill you for the entire day. They give you so much food. The portions are huge. It's a lot of food, but it's very, very good food. Like the best pizza I've ever had, best lasagna I've ever had. Now we're about to order dessert, and I'm looking at it, and I don't even want dessert. I'm so full, but I'm definitely going to get some just so I can try it. These are our options. I think I'll probably go with this top one here, or the tiramisu, but we'll see. So our desserts just arrived. I ordered the chocolate fondant, and Mom ordered the tiramisu. I'll give you a peek. And there's the tiramisu. So taste test for the chocolate fondant. It looks like they put a little scoop of gelato in there also, so let's get a taste. It's very, very rich chocolate. I feel like it's almost dark chocolate, but it's really good. The fondant cake is amazing. So good. And the gelato that they put in there, I believe I figured out what it is. It's like a coffee espresso type gelato. It's very good. It pairs very well with the cake. So we just finished brunch at Palo Specialty Dining, adult only. It was amazing. Every single meal, every single entree and dish we had was like the best food I've ever had. If you come on the Disney Dream and book Palo Brunch, our server Alejandra was amazing. Definitely recommend doing Palo Brunch. We are heading to the gift shops just to look around. Cute Disney Cruise Line items available.
These are cute, Becky.
They have the Mickey ears with the anchors on them. They also have leggings with anchors on them. Some more Disney Cruise Line merch over here. They have more Disney Cruise themed ears. Yes, this backpack is very, very cute. Disney Cruise Line backpack. Hello everyone, I decided to pause the video here. I'm going to separate day 2 of our cruise into 2 different videos, because if I don't, it will be a 50-minute long video and no one wants to watch a video that long. Anyways, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for future cruise and travel videos from me. Thank you again, and I'll see you right where we left off in the next video.